From finish work to inflation, powered through most jobs with the Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor, made in the USA with global materials. It's designed with a 6-gallon tank and an oil-free pump that recovers quickly so you can keep working. A high PSI drives more nails than a traditional 135 max PSI compressor. For added convenience, it's designed with dual couplers and it starts up easy in cold weather. Plus, its lightweight construction and cord wrap make transportation and storage a breeze. Make big jobs a little easier with this Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor. Craftsman, we build pride.
My name is Mike Adelberger. I work for Younger Construction. I'm a lead carpenter for them, and I have 35 years of experience. A lot of our homes are large in size, so we end up having to travel throughout the home. We use the cordless compressor. It's really nice where you can take it with you and go upstairs.
I'm Ted Graves, owner of Pleasant Hills Custom Builders, and I've been in this business for about 20 years. Well, the one-turn regulator made it easy to precisely dial up the pressure or dial down depending on what we're using. It's a real time saver because we don't have to go back and set high nails or worry about nails that have gone all the way through the material. FlexVolt is genius. It's a strong battery and it lasts a long time, and it's making our jobs easier and actually more fun. I've been using DeWalt tools since I started, and I've been impressed ever since, and every time the new technology comes out, I follow it.
We've used that cordless compressor for framing, siding, casing, crown,
trim, wainscoting, flooring, and it's handled everything we've thrown at it.
Generally, power is pretty scarce on the job site, so either you have to run a long cord or you have to run a long air hose. And it's nice that cordless compressor is not taking up a plug, because a lot of times these slots are valuable.
Hi, my name is Larry and I'm part of the product development team here at California Air Tools, and today I'm excited to introduce you to one of our new quiet air compressors. In front of me today is the California Air Tools Light and Quiet 1P1060S air compressor. This air compressor has our new large piston oil-free design. It produces 1.2 CFM at 90 PSI, which is 50% more air than competitive air compressors. This air compressor has a recovery time from 90 to 120 PSI of only 15 seconds, and it will fill this 1-gallon tank in 50 seconds. This air compressor is great for airbrushing, light engraving tools, nail guns, staple guns, brad nailers, finishing nailers, inflating, and blowing things off. This air compressor is designed for portability. It's lightweight, it's only 29 pounds, and it's small enough where you could put underneath a bench, in a cabinet, in a storage area, out of the way, unseen. The air compressor is only 56 decibels. That is 30% quieter than any other air compressor in the industry, and this air compressor at 56 decibels is less than a normal conversation. I'm going to go ahead and let you hear these so you can get an idea of a comparison. Next to me is a standard air compressor, and this air compressor is at 90 decibels. You can hear, but I can barely hear me talk. That was 90 decibels, and here's the light and quiet air compressor. This air compressor is only 56 decibels. As you can tell, you can easily talk over it. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, contact California Air Tools.